Students, we are continuing our discussion on chapter 7 Buddhism and Jainism. Today we will discuss about the impact of Buddhism on our Indian society and on Indian culture. Buddhism contributed to be the development of literature in the language of the people. Pali and Prakrit language, we already discussed about that. The Tripitaka or three baskets containing the teachings of Buddha and the Jataka stories containing the tales of Buddha's previous lives became popular as a part of Buddhist literature. Tripitaka, three different texts, comprises together as Tripitaka, and this is considered as the holy scriptures of Buddhism, and the religious philosophies are discussed here along with the Jataka stories, which contains the stories of Buddha's life. These became popular in Pali and Prakrit language, which was the common language, which was the local language of the common people. The Buddhist monasteries became centers of learning. Some of them, such as Nalanda, Takshila, Vikramshila, developed into famous universities. The Buddhist monasteries were the main purpose was the monks or Buddhist philosophers. They used to stay there, but gradually these centers developed as learning centers, and these helped to spread the Buddhist philosophy as well as with Indian philosophies and other subjects. As you know, Nalanda was one of the famous university and one of the most ancient universities in this world. Along with this, Buddhism contributed greatly to the art and architecture. Buddhist monks developed a different type of architecture. Buddhist vihars, where Buddhist monks and nuns lived. These temples and monuments depicts the Buddhist influence in the art and architecture. Most of you have already seen many kind of Buddha's statue in different type of architectures. All come in this style of architecture, Buddhist architecture and art. Along with these, Buddhist monks observed the rules and regulation of the religions, and they started to spread these rules and regulation of religion in Buddhist sanghas, and these sanghas started to spread in Magadha, Kosala, Kosambi and several republic states.